Hello guys, welcome to this interesting session where I will explain you step-by-step process to install XAMPP. But before installation, I will tell you what XAMPP exactly is. So, what is XAMPP? XAMPP is an abbreviation where X stands for cross platforms, A is for Apache, M is for MySQL, P is for PHP, and the last P is Perl programming language. So XAMPP is most powerful development environment and it is completely free, easy to install and easy to use Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP and Perl. So XAMPP is an open source environment and which is very user friendly. Now let's begin to the installation process. For this you need to go to Google and search for download XAMPP. Here you will find the very first link, download XAMPP. Click on it and you will find the latest version of XAMPP. Click on download button. I have already downloaded the file, so click on this file and don't worry about the warnings. Click on the next button. Here you will find the various modules which you can install and click on the next button. This is the drive where your file is stored. Click on next. You can change language here. Click on next and this, you can download various WordPress, Drupal and Joomla application free by in this server. Click on next and a XAMPP page will be open. Just close it and now start the process of installation. It will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speeds and at the end it will create a uninstaller for that, which means you can uninstall the files and data whenever you like. Just click on the uninstall button and it will delete all the files and data from your system. So basically, XAMPP is very easy to install distribution containing Apache, MySQL, and you can run various application on it like WordPress, Joomla, etc. And now it is almost done. And here is the final step. This is the final step. And now your installation is done. Click on finish button. And this is the basically a XAMPP control panel where modules, PIDs, port, actions are listed. You can start for starting the XAMPP control panel. You need to start the services. Like I have started the Apache services, which is running on 80 port. You can change its port address through the config button. Just you need to stop the service and then go to the config and Apache. A file will open. Go to the listen port 80. Change the port number here. I have changed it to the 8080 and then save the file and close the file and then again start the services and it will change the port address to 8080. Same you can done with the MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat also. So this is the step-by-step process to install the XAMPP server. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.